Hi, this is Joe Massey with Castle & Cook Mortgage here in the Denver Tech Center. I received your inquiry recently that you were looking for a new refinance mortgage, and I just wanted to get in touch with you, tell you a little bit about our company, and give you some examples of programs that we have available. I know you're probably getting a lot of phone calls from a lot of different companies right now, so I do hope that you will find this video to be informative and helpful in selecting which mortgage company you want to work with. First off, our company, we are here in the Denver Tech Center, just off of I-25 at Orchard Road. We are a direct lender. That means that we underwrite and fund our own loans, which allows us to make the process very easy for you. I know a lot of people are taking 60 to 90 days to close their customers' loans right now. For us, the process takes about 2 weeks. The next thing that's very important is that we do still have very good interest rates. If you've been watching interest rates over the last 6 weeks, I'm sure you've noticed that they have gone up fairly significantly. The great benefit with us is that we do still have very good interest rates that can help out a lot of our customers. Let's take a look at an example. In this example, I've just got a base property value of $300,000. Yours may be higher or lower. This is just for our example purposes. Based on a value of $300,000, if you had 20% equity in the property, you'd be looking at a loan amount of roughly $240,000. On a 30-year fixed interest rate today, that rate would be right at 4.875%, so still below 5% fixed for 30 years. The principal and interest payment on that would be $1,270.10. Now, the property taxes and homeowners insurance, those are going to vary depending on your county and how much you pay for your homeowners insurance. But your total principal and interest payment would be $1,270.10. Now, if you wanted to look at a shorter term, we do also offer a 15-year term, which would be at a lower interest rate. Today, it would actually be 4.25%. It's going to have a higher monthly payment, roughly $1,805. Again, taxes and insurance to be determined by your individual county and insurance company. The total monthly payment for principal and interest you'd be looking at would be $1,805. Now, a lot of customers ask me, Joe, I don't have a lot of equity in my home. Are there other options for me? Yes, there are. We do offer FHA loans, which require you to have, or don't require as much equity in the property, and actually come with a little bit lower interest rate. On a 30-year term, you'd be looking at an interest rate of 4.75%, which is going to have a monthly payment of $1,408.45. FHA loans do have mortgage insurance on them. In this case, would be roughly $191.25. Taxes and insurance, again, to be determined. Total monthly payment for principal, interest, and mortgage insurance in this example would be $1,599.70. Obviously, that's still a very low monthly payment with this very low interest rate. Now, a couple of important things to take note of. Number one, there is no cash required from you at the closing. The only cost that you have out of your pocket is for the appraisal. Number two, this loan scenario has no discount points. There are no points built in to buy down the interest rate. Number three, this is a fixed interest rate. On the 15-year or the 30-year term, these are fixed interest rates that we have available. Next, you will skip at least one monthly payment. For example, if we were to close your loan in the middle of January, you would skip your payment on February 1st, and your new payment would be due on March 1st. As I spoke about before, the process is very easy, and we will close your loan within 2 weeks from the time we take your application. Finally, you may not need a new appraisal. Depending on your current loan and your individual qualifications, you may not require a new appraisal. That's something that we'll have to look at on an individual case-by-case basis. But when we speak, let me know that you're interested in that, and we'll take a look at it. So please take a look at my website. It's coloradorealestateadvantage.com or coloradovamortgage.com. Or give me a phone call. My phone number is 303-501-1413, or you can email me at jmassey@castlecook.com. Or, like I said, take a look at the websites for additional information. Again, this is Joe Massey with Castle & Cook Mortgage. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to speaking with you.